Okay, so our today's point is operator in C++. Okay, so an operator is a symbol that tell us the compiler to perform specific mathematical or logical manipulations. Okay, that is nothing but operators. Okay, there are different types of operator that we use in C++, and these types are arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, assignment operators, scope resolution operator, and size of operator. Okay, so let's start with the first type of operator, that is arithmetic operators. Different arithmetic operators that we use in C++, that is plus for addition, minus for subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, increment, and decrement. Okay, these are the arithmetic operators in C++. As we know, plus, minus, multiplication, division, modulus to find out remainder. Okay, plus that is to increase value of variable by 1, minus to decrease value of variable by 1. Okay, so here this plus, minus, multiplication, division, all these are the plus, minus, multiplication, division, these are the binary operators. Okay, like to perform to use this plus operator, we use two operands, that is a plus b. Okay, here a, b, these are the operand, plus is the operator, plus is used to perform addition of two numbers, and result gets stored inside third variable, that is c variable. Okay, so all these are the arithmetic operators. Modular, which is used to find out remainder. Okay, like suppose if we use c equals to a modulo 2. Okay, and if we assign value 5 to variable, value 5 to variable a. Okay, now if we consider this one, we assign value 5 to variable a. Okay, here we use this modulus operator. Here we write c is equals to a modulo 2. Okay, so this c variable holds remainder. Okay, so 5 modulo 2 and the remainder is 1. Okay, that gets stored inside variable c. Okay, all these are the arithmetic operators. Then next part is relational operator, that is which is used to compare two variables, we can say. So different relational operators are less than, greater than, less than equals to, greater than equals to, equals to, and not equals to. Okay, if you want to compare two numbers, we use this relational operators. Okay, so it gives answer true, false. Okay, like suppose if we write here a greater than b. Okay, and if we consider value of a as a 20 suppose, and b as a 30. Okay, so if we use this condition, a is greater than b. Okay, as a is not value of variable a is 20 and value of b variable is 30, so a greater than b, that is false. Okay, it means a relational operator are used to compare two variables, we can say here. Okay, so different relational operators are greater than, less than equals to, greater than equals to, equals to, and not equals to. Okay, so next operator is logical operators. Here we use logical and, logical or, and logical not operator. Okay, this logical operator are used to combine two different expressions. Okay, so for that we use this logical and, logical or, and logical not. Okay, if we consider logical and okay, here we'll see logical and that we represent by using double ampersand. If we consider this is condition 1 or expression 1, expression 2, and this is result. Okay, so when we come when we use result, here we say c1 and c2. Okay, so and operator, if condition 1 or expression 1 is true, okay, expression 2 is true, okay, then the result of c1 and c2 is 1. Okay, if expression 1 is false, expression 2 is true, okay, then the result is false. Okay, if expression 1 is true, expression 2 is is false, then the result is false. Okay, if expression 1 is false, expression 2 is also false, then result is false. Okay, that is logical AND operator, which is used to combine two different expressions. If both the expressions are true, then the result is true, otherwise result is false. Okay, getting this? Logical AND, which is used to combine two different expressions. If both the expressions are true, then the result is true, otherwise result is false. Okay, if you consider this truth table, here value of both the expressions are true, so the result is true, that is 1, otherwise result is false, that is 0. Okay, this is logical AND. Logical OR. Okay, logical OR, if both the conditions or both the expressions are false, then the result is false, otherwise result is true. Okay, okay, in logical AND, if both the conditions, both the expressions are false, then final result is false, otherwise if any one condition is true or both the conditions are true, in that case result is true. Okay, that is logical OR. Okay, this is logical OR. Okay, and not here